कुछ तो बात रही होगी समंदर के खारे पानी में, कुछ तो बात रही होगी समंदर के खारे पानी में, यूं ही मीठे पानी की नदियां समंदर में मिलने को बेताब नहीं रहती। माई सेल्फ चिमन शर्मा, मैं अपने थर्ड पॉडकास्ट में अल्फा A1 थर्ड पॉडकास्ट में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूं। ऐसे ही हमारे पॉडकास्ट को आप प्यार देते रहिए और ऐसे ही हमारे पॉडकास्ट को आप सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए। आज हमारे बीच में एक स्पेशल गेस्ट है। स्पेशल यू मीन स्पेशल। और जो गेस्ट हैं वो बड़े चार्मिंग पर्सनालिटी वाले हैं और बड़े यंग और बड़ा बैकग्राउंड है, श्रीलंका से हैं और बहुत मज़ा आने वाला उनके साथ आज पॉडकास्ट में, बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है बिकॉज कलाकार आदमी है। डोनेक्स ग्लोबल के CEO एंड फाउंडर मिस्टर डिलन। तो मिस्टर डिलन, मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूँ। मोस्ट वेलकम मिस्टर डिलन इन माय पॉडकास्ट।
नमस्कार जी।
नमस्कार जी। सो योर नेम इज डिलन ओनली?
डॉन डिलन।
डॉन डिलन?
डॉन डिलन नादिशा।
डॉन डिलन नादिशा। फिनिश?
You can say like Don Dylan Nadisha Premachandra.
Oh, Don Dylan Nadisha Premshankar from Sri Lanka. Okay. Very good. Nice to meet you, Dylan. बहुत मज़ा आएगा आपके साथ। Really very happy to announce कि आप हमारे आज गेस्ट हैं। Today my guest you and you having a good knowledge about IT sector and banking sector and I'm really happy you place of Ravana.
Ravan's place.
Yes, Ravana place. Because I'm Param Bhakto Rama. So I'll kill you Ravana. So that's good. Dylan, you're having a good knowledge about Forex also.
Yes.
So your background is last coming days you in the Forex market. So how you start your journey in banking sector?
Simply when it comes to myself, like I'm a finance professional, so with the like practical experience with the fintech and financial marketing. So when it comes to my background, like I started my career with the banking sector as a traditional banking sector in Sri Lanka as a junior trainee. So after that I started my career. I got an exposure regarding the like banking sector and the fintech and how the real money moves behind the scenes.
Sorry?
Real money moves behind the scenes.
Okay. Very good. Good. And मैं डिलन के लिए कुछ 4 लाइन बोलना चाहता हूँ कि डिलन वो शख्स हैं जो एक और एक मिलते हैं, एक और एक जुड़ते हैं तो 2 हो जाते हैं, एक और एक जुड़ते हैं तो 11 हो जाते हैं और एक मिलते हैं तो इश्क हो जाता है, लव। एंड एक इंसान और एक परमात्मा का मिलन होता है तो आध्यात्म बन जाता है। तो आई थिंक सो यू हैविंग अ गुड नॉलेज अबाउट आध्यात्म, अबाउट धर्मा।
I can say yes because I'm following some the practices. It's kind of like it's not a religion, so I'm a Buddhism. It's not a business for this topic actually. So but I'm respecting all the religions, it's kind of a best practices from my side. Yeah.
So how long time you spend in banking or IT?
No, I started my career as a young banker, like a trainee banker. So then after some times I completed my internships and all training programs. Then I completed my studies high university studies in Sri Lanka, specialized in bachelor degree, specialized in marketing. So then I became one of youngest certified professional marketer in Asia from that we call Asian Federation of Marketing, Singapore. So then I became as a chartered marketer. Then I completed my masters and everything. Then still I'm learning CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst, and CIFA, CSA, so like that. So it's still continuing, so like that.
तो मैंने अभी आप सब लोगों को बोला था बड़ा चार्मिंग पर्सनालिटी है और श्रीलंका में कोलंबो से बिलोंग करते हैं। तो इनके पास इतनी डिग्रियां हैं या इतना नॉलेज है या इतनी बैंकिंग, फॉरेक्स या ट्रेनिंग जो नए यंग जनरेशन के लिए बड़ा ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट भी प्रोवाइड कराते हैं आप, आपकी बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां हैं आईटी की, जिस पे आप लोगों को रोज़गार भी देते हैं. तो आई एम रियली वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड फॉर योर पर्सनैलिटीज़. एंड डिलन, हाउ ओल्ड आर यू?
I can say, so is this less than 30, like 20 years, 28 years old.
You are having a good personality. Even you are a smart person in the Sri Lanka also. So, in a coding time, you having any love?
Ah, it's a like difficult question.
Why difficult? पैसा है, माल है, अच्छा इंसान है, फिर क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
So I think like everything takes time. So maybe nowadays I'm more focusing on what I need exactly in next 5 years. So after that, yes.
Okay, Dylan, we're really enjoying your podcast. So, how long time you are in the Dubai?
So in Dubai, it's around like more than 4 years in the same sector. Yeah.
4 years. Okay. So, how you enjoying your Dubai?
Yeah. Dubai, it's when it comes like the modern world, Dubai is really good because that infrastructure. Then when it comes to business also, the business setup infrastructure also good. Okay, it's very like flexible for everyone, and it's very competitive. They are approaching new technology, and they are growing with the like the new generation. It's always welcome for like new generation in Dubai. So that's why we love Dubai.
What do you think myself?
About you, you are a smart. You are a smart. Maybe you're an arbab.
Chalo, carry on. What do you say in Sri Lanka, in India, in Asian continental young guys? What do you say in a golden voice?
So when we are talking about Asian, it's quite difficult to like grow up as a like personal brands, but it's possible as Asian. I know it's personally. So always like keep on yourself. Okay, keep focus on yourself. Focus on the goals, what you need, with what exactly you need within like next 5 years. Work on it. Work on it. Okay. So always try to learn something new, because when it comes to like this century, so it's not based on knowledge, it's always based on skills, experience, and how you are smart with the like modern world. So always try to be something different, try to grow up yourself with like personal branding. Okay, if you can do that, yes, obviously you will be different from others.
So you are suggesting to every young guys that you keep maintain your discipline
Exactly, discipline is the key of success.
and you keep your branding first, then company will take off. Okay, you see, good voice. Again, I want to speak about forex market because we all are belonging the forex market. So, what you give a suggestion about the traders, because we having a start or trading trader summits in 19 January to 3rd February. We are having a according time of deposit, and 3rd February to 25 February. So we held a trading contest. So, what do you suggest all traders?
Trading is always like, it's kind of like playing with emotions. Okay, so some people like I guess like they are saying like trading is kind of a gambling, but it's not gambling. It's playing with your smartness, how you are playing with your emotions. Okay, if you are trading or if you are doing whatever you're planning with discipline, and if you can manage your psychology very well, so it will good for you. It's easy to be a success. That's why, so I'm always like advising to my people, so always grow up yourself with the discipline. Okay, don't do not be a like panic. Okay, no greediness, and be a smart. Always knowledge will be the key with the discipline.
So, Don, Dylan,
Nadisha.
Nadisha Premshankara, Sri Lanka.
Yes, Ravana's place.
Ravana's place. सो ये मिस्टर डॉन डिलन बोल रहे हैं कि ट्रेडिंग में अगर आप डिसिप्लिन रखते हैं, पेशेंस रखते हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि इसको गैम्बलिंग बोलते हैं। इसमें दुनिया की 25% आबादी ट्रेडिंग से चलती है और उसके बगैर दुनिया में कुछ है नहीं। बिकॉज द वी नो यू हर्ड द शेयर मार्केट ऑफ इंडियन 9x of world economy, Sri Lanka also. So worldwide we have need to economies. Economy is beyond of the share market. Okay. Dylan, दुबई में कहाँ कहाँ घूमे आप? It's been 4 years in Dubai. What do you like here?
The Dubai, simply, Dubai is the city with full of innovations and full of competition. And if you have the capacity, you can buy anything what you want, except your mom and dad.
Okay. It's called in our language Maya Nagari. Money. It's called in India Maya Nagari. Speak Maya. Maya. Yes. Illusion. This is the Dubai. चार्मिंग पर्सनालिटीज़, अच्छा प्लेसेस है, गुड नॉलेज वाले लोगों को दुबई एक्सेप्ट करती है। तो हम भी ये चाहते हैं कि आपको एक्सेप्ट किया तो हमारे आने वाले लोगों को भी दुबई बहुत एक्सेप्ट करे और बहुत नॉलेज के साथ यहाँ पे आइए, बहुत पैसा है। सो दुबई हैविंग अ गुड मनी ऑल्सो। यू हैव मोर?
You should earn. We should earn.
Tell me about Sri Lanka. So question is about your country, Sri Lanka. For last 3-4 years, the economy is a very dangerous. How can put the new president of the Sri Lanka?
I'm not talking about any political party, but that after that COVID incidents, then you know that we had some attacks, terrorist attacks as well. So after those kind of incidents, we had some issues. You know, most of the Asian countries and the entire world, we are facing some economic issues because of corrupted political environments. We have to we have to understand the situations. So because of that political decision, political parties, yes, we had to face. And so after some critical period, we are moving forward as a nation, so as a united nation. So we are moving forward. So the good thing in Sri Lanka, whatever happened to Sri Lanka, so we are growing together as a one nation. So that's the best thing. So after COVID, you know, most of the Asian countries, so after COVID also, we're grown up. So then after that pandemic, that terrorist attack, then after that, that big protest.
Okay, good. And your face is just similar of Jayawardena. You know Jayawardena?
Mahela Jayawardena?
Mahela Jayawardena. So my favorite. Yes. So your face is similar of Mahela Jayawardena. You play cricket? डिलन ने हमारे साथ काफ़ी अच्छा समय बिताया और डिलन ने काफ़ी अच्छा हमें समय दिया, उसका हमने सदुपयोग किया। समय यहाँ किसी के पास नहीं है। समय यहाँ किसी के पास नहीं है, तो समय को पूरा सदुपयोग करना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और उसको हमने किया है। डिलन, वी रोट ए बुक अबाउट फॉरेक्स, सो we are promoting last 1 month, and after 3 months we publish in Dubai and Asia. So my book is very important. We are going to gift you, and this book is mention marking of 3,000 rupees after 3 months in publish. So I'll give you my book. Decode the Stock Market. The book name, Decode the Stock Market.
Wow, it's really interesting.
अभी हमारे पास अल्फ़ा A1 के पास अल्फ़ा पॉडकास्ट में मैं एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग न्यूज़ आपको दे रहा हूँ कि अल्फ़ा A1 ने 1000 लोगों का एक कॉन्टेस्ट स्टार्ट किया है। 19 जनवरी से लेके 3 फरवरी तक आपको कॉन्टेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए आपको अपना अकाउंट रेडी करना है और 3 फरवरी से लेके 25 फरवरी तक आपको अपने कॉन्टेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट करना है। इस अकॉर्डिंग टाइम में अगर कोई बंदा 30% के ड्रॉ डाउन के साथ 30% प्रॉफिट जनरेट करेगा तो वो हमारे कॉन्टेस्ट का हिस्सेदार बन जाएगा। और इस कॉन्टेस्ट में अवार्डेड रखे गए हैं और प्राइजेस रखे गए हैं और दूसरा यहाँ पे फर्स्ट 50 लोगों के लिए ऑफिशियल जॉब अनाउंस की गई है दुबई में, एकोमोडेशन एंड सैलरी। सो प्लीज़ बड़े अच्छे तरीके से ट्रेड करिए, समझदार तरीके से ट्रेड करिए, बिकॉज ये स्किल्स डेवलप करने का काम है हमारा। ये जो तरीका है ये सिर्फ जो नए जनरेशन में लोग उठ रहे हैं उनको स्किल डेवलप करने के लिए हम लेके आए हैं। तो वो स्किल डेवलप करने के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़िए। आपको अभी सैटरडे से हमने क्लासेस स्टार्ट कर दी है। ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में जो भी आना चाहें सैटरडे को 2 घंटे की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस होगी। डिफरेंट हायर मेथड टीचर्स को हम अलाउड कर रहे हैं हम वहाँ पे आपको पढ़ाने के लिए। टेक्निकल जो साउंड है वो लोग वहाँ पे पढ़ाने के लिए आएंगे, दिखाने के लिए आएंगे। नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे से हम एक बार लाइव स्ट्रीम हम आपके लिए लेके आ रहे हैं यूट्यूब पर। तब हमारे पास एक बेस्ट ट्रेडर आपके सामने होंगे और वो आपको लाइव स्ट्रीम के थ्रू लाइव ट्रेड करवाएंगे। उस ट्रेड के थ्रू हम 80% की एक्यूरेसी की कोशिश करेंगे। विल ट्राई टू एक्यूरेसी ऑफ 80%। देखिए इस मार्केट में भगवान कोई नहीं होता है। इस मार्केट में हमको सबको टेक्निकली और फंडामेंटली बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ता है और काम करना पड़ता है। तो हमारे साथ आइए, बने रहिए और हमारे चैनल को अल्फ़ा A1 को आप पसंद करिए और सब्सक्राइब करिए, क्योंकि लास्ट 15 दिन हुए हैं। 15 दिन में हमारे चैनल के लिए यूट्यूब की तरफ से बहुत अच्छे मैसेज आए हैं, बहुत अच्छी मेल आई है जो मैं आगे आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करूँगा। हमारे चैनल पे लोगों ने बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम तक, लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन तक हमारे वीडियोस देखे हैं। तो आगे भी आप बने रहिए और देखते रहिए और हमारा सहयोग करते रहिए। व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट ट्रेडिंग इंडस्ट्री इन श्रीलंका?
When it comes to Sri Lanka, so we can say that it's a virgin market. Still, it's a virgin market because Sri Lanka deserve much better trading standards, and we have lots of talented skills inside the country, and they are very talented. If we can develop their financial literacy, it's really good for the industry in Sri Lanka, and they deserve better. So we have to give them the knowledge, and they should work hard, they should focus, and they should get the experience and exposure from the international market. So if everything goes well, Sri Lanka deserve better. So I think that, I believe that.
Right, good. You heard the name of Warren Buffett?
Yes, the Virgin Group, right?
Yes. I thoroughly support and follow the Warren Buffett because he told, if you have work and if you have a girlfriend, so please focus on work first. If you not work first, then you will be no businessman in the future. So what do you think about Warren Buffett?
Yeah, exactly. Yes, I think like he said one time, like don't put your all eggs into one basket. So that means like you don't need to take additional risk. You can diversify your investments or whatever you are committing. So you can diversify it. Based on that, you have multiple options. So if you are putting all the eggs into one basket, if it's broken, what will happen? So like that, you have to manage your like risk and everything you have to manage with that. Also like it will help you to become a good risk manager, and not only based on the trading, for the like personal life as well. So it's a good advice.
Okay, Dylan, once I invite you in India.
Yes.
So you visit any India?
Yes.
Did you visit ever in India?
Yes.
When?
I visit like Chennai and Mumbai, and I really love to visit again The next time I will definitely visit Himachal side and Goa.
You're having a vegetarian? So that's what you want to go in Goa.
So I think like Goa is very like it's quite similar to Sri Lankan beach side, right? Like the downside of Sri Lanka, it's a beach culture.
Which city you loved in India?
India, I like Mumbai, Delhi and Mumbai, and I know most of the cities because of IPL, like Kolkata Knight Riders, Delhi Capitals.
Once you visit in Rajasthan, Udaipur.
Okay, Rajasthan Royals.
Rajasthan Royals. Once you visit in Rajasthan, Udaipur, a nice place, all round and hill, lake. So 7 lake in a city, and mountain hills, and beautiful. Once at a time, Udaipur announced in number one, world number one city. So please come Udaipur. So India having a good historical palace, more an historical palace, but Udaipur, Rajasthan having a good historical palace. Maharana Pratap, you heard the name Maharana Pratap. Maharana Pratap is a big name, and we're proud to Maharana Pratap. You heard the name Maharana Pratap? Shivaji, Shivaji and Maharana Pratap. So really we proud to Maharana Pratap and Shivaji. We always love to Rana Pratap because it's really huge struggle in his life, but achievement and all things on Swabhiman. How in 28 years life, you're having any struggle?
Who became as a like successful person, so it's not just like a one night game. Okay, so according to me also like I grown up with like what we call like it's not a one night game actually. Like I had to face many issues and many struggles and challenges since like school time and higher studies times, and after I especially came to Dubai, you know how it's difficult. So to facing that competition still, okay, it's Dubai still it's a competitive market. So we have to like day by day we have to get the experience. So simply uh, how we call it like if you are getting more pressure, you will become a diamond one day. So that's the best part.
You mean say in a one words, you if you are having a struggle, you can one day a big success. Without failure, you can't success. So one time, two time, three time failures, you're having a more and more successful person in the world, because we see in the more successful person in the world. भाई जीवन में बिना असफलता के सफलता नहीं मिल सकती है, तो असफलता से डरना नहीं चाहिए और आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। यही हमारा मोटो है, हम सबको यही कह रहे हैं। असफल होने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप नीचे गिर गए। आप नीचे गिरने के बाद उठने वाले लोगों को सबसे बड़ी क्वालिटी होती है, और वो क्वालिटी आपको सबको डेवलप करनी है। हमने भी करी है, आप भी कीजिए। हमने भी किया है, आप भी कीजिए, क्योंकि बिना गिरे आप उठ नहीं सकते। और अगर आप बिना गिरे सफलता प्राप्त कर ली तो आप एक दिन बहुत बुरे फेल होने वाले हैं। इसलिए बिना असफल हुए सफलता नहीं मिल सकती। सफलता के लिए आगे बढ़ते रहिए, अपने माता पिता की सेवा करते रहिए, अपने इष्ट मित्र की साथ निभाइए, आगे बढ़िए। यही हमारी थ्योरी है। और
Yeah, obviously, failure is not always a loser. Failure means like he's getting experience. So one day, if you are getting more pressure, that means you will become more shine one day. So that's what I want to tell you guys. Like, if you are getting more pressure, that means one day you know how to handle it. You know how to pass it. You know how you struggled before, and based on that, you will become as like a good diamond. One day you will shine.
But in the life, if you fail in your life, the people, your family, your friends in society always kill you, but you keep maintain your patience.
So it's common. If you are a man, you have to face all kind of things like so. Like kind of there's one famous quote: "There's no free lunch in this world. There's no free lunch. You have to commit yourself. So no one will give you something free for you. So they're expecting something. So whatever you are giving, whatever you are delivering, you will get it. It's not one day, it's not tomorrow, it's not day after tomorrow. One day you will get it. That's it.
Right. You are saying like respect is not demanded, but respect is commanded. Yes, you can earn it. So this is my two stanza. I did graduation English literature. So Macbeth, I listen in Macbeth. कि respect is not demanded, but respect is commanded. So thank you very much, Don, Dylan, Nadisha, Prem Shankar, Sri Lanka, Ravana's place. Nice meet to you. Nice podcast with you. And once again, I'm thank you very much for your spacious and precious time for me, my podcast, Alpha I1. Always thankful for you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the invitation and धन्यवाद भारत देश.
थैंक यू वेरी मच डिलन. हमारे पॉडकास्ट में आने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद डिलन को. काफ़ी कीमती समय निकाला इन्होंने. मैं आज अपने पॉडकास्ट को यहीं पूर्ण विराम देता हूं. और मैंने शायद इंग्लिश में कुछ गलतियां की होगी, उसके लिए मुझे थोड़ा आराम से लीजिएगा. एंड हमारे पॉडकास्ट को आपने प्यार दिया, एक बार फिर हमारे पॉडकास्ट को आप सब्सक्राइब करें, सम्मान दें. और जय श्री कृष्णा, नमस्ते, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल.